Hi guys, it's Josh here, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to target people that clicked a link inside of your augmented reality experience. Again, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to target people that clicked a link inside of your augmented reality experience, right? So, but first you need to create a custom audience of these people first before targeting them with Facebook ads or IG ads. But I'm going to show you guys how to create that audience. So, as you can see here, we're in the ads manager. And then all you got to do is click here, then click audiences right here, then click and you get here, right? Then click create audience and then custom audience. Then you're going to see this option right here, AR experience. Select that. Then click next. Then you're going to be shown this pop-up right here, right? But guys, you want to select in this event section right here, you want to select this. People who clicked any links in the AR experience. Then you want to select your page. And then you want to select your AR experience. So you click in here. And basically, if you have got an AR experience, it could be an Instagram filter. It could be any type of augmented reality that Facebook and Instagram enables you to create. You can select it here, right? And the one that you select, that's the audience it's going to pull from. Because what you're going to find sometimes is that, say you have an augmented reality game, for example, there's going to be a lot of clicking in it. There's going to be a lot of clicking and pressing stuff to win the game. And all those actions that are being taken inside of that particular augmented reality experience is going to be gathered in this custom audience, right? So here you want to select your AR experience, and your retention, you want to keep this at 365 days, right? Then once you've done that, then select the name. Then you can write in the name. So AR clickers. And then you can also put in the description in here. And then once you've done all of that, then create audience. Bear in mind, guys, that obviously this is one of my dummy accounts. So there's no AR experience loaded up here, because if I was able to choose anything in here, then what would happen? It would now let me create an audience, right? But it works the same way as you would make any custom audience. And then once you've done that, now you've created that custom audience of people who have clicked links inside of your augmented reality experience. Then once you've done that, you click X out of here. And again, that audience is going to be in this section right here. So if you wanted to target that audience with Facebook ads and IG ads, all you have to do is go to your ads manager. And now we're back in the ads manager. And all you got to do is click create, then sales, then continue, right? So sales or any other objective that is in line with what you're trying to achieve for your business goals. So for example, I'm going to choose sales and then click continue. And then right here, let's choose just so we can get to the next stage. Then you select your pixel and your conversion location. And right here, guys, is where you put in your custom audience for people who have clicked links inside of your augmented reality. So you put this audience into here. And what you'll find is that once you click inside of here, it's going to populate, it's going to show you the same list of audiences that is in your custom audience. And it will basically show up here. You just select it, and now you can target them with Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and you can basically build your ad out as normal, right? So guys, that is how you target people who have clicked links inside of your augmented reality experience. And as usual, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Guys, take care and make sure you implement this as part of your strategy. If it makes sense for you and your business, do it, guys. Do it. Like Facebook are super serious about this whole metaverse thing. They're super serious about it. So you might as well take the opportunity and use this and see if it brings you results in your business. But guys, I'll see you later in the next video. Take care, guys.